Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back for today's video. I'm so excited about this one because this has probably been one of my #1 requested videos ever since I started the Boss Babe series. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having the best weekend. If you're new here, I'm Jordan and you are tuning into my Boss Babe series, which is pretty much just all about helping women out there to cultivate the best life possible in order to help you guys realize that you truly deserve a better quality of life, whether that be working from home, making more money, building your confidence, realizing that you deserve a healthy, loving relationship, improving your credit score, just anything I've been through, I want to share it back with you guys so you can literally manifest and create your dream life, because currently I feel that I'm in such an incredible spot in life at this exact moment. I can say that I'm so happy in life, with my business, personally, with my son. You guys know I just got a new puppy. She's bringing a lot of happiness and love and, teaching your girl a lot of patience. But in business and in personal, I'm feeling incredible right now. And with this series, it's just, I truly do feel something deep in my gut to share back with you guys, things that I have not only been through, but came out successful in, and like sharing my whole journey of making money on social media. One of the top questions that I always get from you guys is, how can you make money from home? I know I have a large following that is single moms. I'm right there with you. I totally feel you. When I first had my son, I was almost $15,000 in debt and I was living on my dad's couch. Now I'm in my dream condo with my son, with my dream car, and an amazing relationship, with the puppy, like my little fam, and just doing what I totally love online. And I want all of that for you guys. I genuinely want that success for all of you ladies out there, because it is the best feeling to know that you do something you freaking love and it's a passion, but you're like, it's not even really a job. Yes, it's hard work, but you're blessed to call it a job because it's something you love. So one side hustle, of course, is social media. I've made plenty of videos on how to make a living on Instagram and on YouTube. I will link them down below. If you're new here, definitely check out this whole series and make sure that you subscribe. But for today's video, I wrote an entire list in my phone of about 10 different side hustles that you can start right now with no money. You don't need any money or cost up front to fund these businesses, which is cool. I know, again, a lot of you want to work from home, but you don't necessarily want to be a public figure on social media. I get it. I know it can be intimidating. So if you want to do something else from home that is not social media, I hope these will help you. I will link these below in the description box. If any of these interest you, you guys can click those links specifically and go ahead and sign up and, start making a little extra cash at home, because I don't know one person who would say no to more money. So let's just get into it. So the first side hustle that I have is obviously that you can sell things. You can use eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, and the Facebook Marketplace. A lot of people don't know about the Facebook Marketplace. Before I actually started making a good amount of money on my own, and I needed money, I would constantly go on the Facebook Marketplace. You basically just log into Facebook. At the top in the search bar, you type in your city, and then you type in space exchange. And that just means that you can sell anything in your house, whether it's clothing, stuff for kids, furniture, and local people will bid on the item, or you guys will agree on a price and they'll drive to your house, or you'll drive to a safe meeting spot. I always recommend meeting outside a Target or somewhere where there's public people around, just to be sure that you're safe. And you can sell things. When I moved apartments, I went on Facebook and I sold tons of my old furniture. I made hundreds of dollars. You can also sell tons of your stuff on Poshmark, on Etsy, and on eBay. I'm a huge lover of Poshmark. I've mentioned it in a lot of my videos. I've sold unopened makeup, lots of clothing. It is definitely a great side hustle. And if you're sitting there thinking, well, girl, I got nothing to sell, I'm a minimalist, or maybe you just don't have much, something good about Etsy and Poshmark is you can sell things that you create. So you can actually, if you paint or if you draw or if you put wood tables together or anything, even if you don't own a lot of possessions, if you make something, you're actually able to sell that as well. Etsy is really, really good for that. Etsy is totally free to sign up for, and anything that you make on your own, you're able to create your own little store and people can actually purchase from there. So all 4 of those are really great. The second side hustle that I have for you guys is Upwork.com. This is something I recently used because recently I'm super excited to say I did hire 2 employees. Thank God. I should have done that a year ago. One person should definitely not be, running everything that I was doing with my business on my own. But what I did with Upwork is I hired a graphic designer. So you can actually go on Upwork.com, you can sign up. So you'll actually just click at the top to sign up as a worker. Again, I'll have the link down below, and you basically just import into the website what skills that you have, whether it's graphic design, you want to be a virtual assistant, maybe you speak multiple languages and you can translate for people. You'll basically put into the website, into your resume, what talents that you have, and then people actually go on Upwork.com to look for people to help them, for example, in their business. Like for me, I'm starting my podcast and I needed a graphic designer, so I found one on Upwork.com. So people will be on there and it'll tell you, you can browse through the profiles, it'll tell you what qualifications those people have. and people go on the website and they'll hire you. They can actually pay you on a wire transfer, or they can pay you, I believe, through PayPal. I'll leave the information below. But with Upwork, you can make anywhere from 15 bucks an hour all the way to $35 an hour. So as a job where you can work from home and you don't need any capital up front, I think that's amazing. Another one that kind of goes along with that is TaskRabbit.com. This one comes in handy if you're single and you say you order furniture and you don't even know how to put it all together, even if it comes with directions and you can't figure it out. IKEA, anyone, like your girl has needed help plenty of times. TaskRabbit is super cool because, again, people go on there and they import what kind of qualifications that they have, and they will come to your house and they will finish a task for you. So you can sign up on there if you're really good at building things, or if you're good at painting, or you're good at gardening. People go on there, they'll hire you, you'll negotiate a price, and then you can go to their house, you can go to their work, their office space that they rent, you can like paint the place for them. Any kind of qualification or talent that you have, you can provide that, and you will get paid per hour, which is also awesome. On TaskRabbit, I believe the highest pay was $42 an hour. So on that one, I think certain tasks you can do from home if someone, again, needs graphic design or anything like that. But if you want to like paint the place for them or go and build their furniture, you would have to travel a little bit. But I still wanted to mention that one. Another one that we all know about, but that's an incredible side hustle, is if you want to work for Postmates. As of yesterday, the highest paying, employee with Postmates is that you can make up to $28 an hour. Postmates is incredible. I know right now it's only in big cities, but I will leave the website down below if you want to sign up to be a driver for Postmates. All you do is you go to the stores once someone orders something online, you pick up their item and you deliver it to their house. If you guys watch like Trisha Paytas or any people on YouTube who do the mukbangs, Postmates come and they deliver it to their house. So you go online, say you go to like Target.com, say, ladies, you're needing like Advil and tampons, whatever you need, even if it's something random, someone will order that online, and then you'll get a text on your phone. If you're their Postmate, you'll go to the store, you will pick it up for them, and you'll drive it over to their house. Really easy. Or you'll go to like Domino's, you'll pick up their pizza, and you'll drive it to their house. As long as you have reliable transportation and a good license, you're not suspended or anything crazy, a good driving record, you'll be good to drive with Postmates. And it is $18 through $28 an hour. So you don't need any other experience, you don't need a degree. I think that one is awesome. Also with Postmates, what's cool is you can actually ride your bike or your scooter or walk people's deliveries to their homes. You don't have to have a car. It's a bonus if you do, but I was reading up on it, and some people deliver the stuff, on their scooter. That's what I call hustle right there. So, and then kind of going along with Postmates is you can actually deliver for Grubhub or for DoorDash. Those ones are restaurants only. So with Postmates, someone can order something literally from anywhere. They can order, like I said, from Target, from CVS, from the mall. You could literally go online to like Gucci and order a purse, and your Postmate would go to the mall and pick it up for you. So Postmates, they deliver anywhere. If you want to work for Grubhub or for DoorDash, it's only food delivery, so you can go anywhere from fast food to high-end food. They can have you go to like McDonald's, Jack in the Box, BJ's, Shogun, like a sushi bar. All you'll do is go and pick up the food for someone, and then you'll deliver it right to their place. Again, as long as you have reliable transportation, you're good. I believe the highest paying on Grubhub, you can make almost $30 an hour, and on DoorDash, the highest paying is you can make up to $27 an hour, which is still incredible. And again, for all these, you don't have to put any money down to start these jobs, which is really cool, and you don't really have to have much like background experience, which I find awesome. Again, if you're like a single mom or you're a college student, or maybe you didn't finish school, you can still take advantage of all these. You don't like need a degree, which I think is really awesome. The next one, on this one, you do need a little bit of experience. You don't need any money down, but you do need to have a little bit of experience tutoring or teaching. Maybe you were an assistant tutor or an assistant teacher, but I found this company and I'm actually using it right now for my son. It's called Grade Potential Tutoring. We have someone come to our house every Monday and Wednesday and tutor Christian in literature and reading and writing, because he's always been a little bit behind on his speech, and I just found it to be best to get him like some extra help at the house. So if you are in school for teaching or you're an assistant teacher, you can sign up with this company, Grade Potential Tutoring, and they pay you per hour, and you actually go to the home of the child who needs tutoring. Again, so as long as you have reliable transportation, you can go and help tutor a child in a specific subject who really needs it. They do tutoring from kindergarten all the way through the end of high school. So whatever age and whatever subject that you are, that's like your specialty, you can work with that. And I also know I couldn't find an exact salary on that one, but I believe you can make up to $40 an hour, because the parent of the child who's being tutored is actually paying a lot. I think I pay for my son like $82 an hour. Like tutoring is anything education related is very expensive. So I know a huge percentage of that obviously goes back to the tutor himself. So that's something where you could actually make a lot. The next one, you guys, I feel like I'm out of breath. You guys always tell me that my videos are too long, so I'm trying to like get through it. Okay, so the next one is called Roadie. Again, I will have all these linked below. This is kind of the same thing as Postmates. You can basically just deliver things for people. You can deliver like physical packages. If someone doesn't, want to go to the P.O. box or to the post office, but they have a delivery, you'll log in on the Roadie app on your cell phone. Someone will hire you. You'll go ahead and get their package and you'll deliver it right to their house. So again, for most of these, you do need reliable transportation. Some of them you can do from home, but I found that that one was really cool. All you have to do is download the Roadie app. Again, I'll put it down below for you guys. So the next one is called Amazon Flex. This is super cool. I didn't even know this existed, or your girl would be using it by now. Basically, you deliver people's Amazon packages to them. Say they have an Amazon package that goes to the post office or to their P.O. box, but they work a lot, or you're a mom of multiple kids and you can't go get your package. You can actually hire someone through the Amazon website or the Amazon Flex app, and they will bring you your packages. Dun, dun, dun. I wrote like a little description of all these. Yeah, you deliver Amazon packages to the customer. Just download the Amazon Flex app and have reliable transportation. It is only available in the USA. You do have to be 18 and older to apply for this one, but you can make between 18 and 25 bucks an hour. So this is really good if you don't like people, you're not really social, people get on your nerves, and you don't want to drive for like Uber or Lyft or have someone in your car. You just want to take someone's package to their house. You can do that. So the next one I use all the time. It's called Instacart. When you don't have time to go get groceries, you literally just hop online, instacart.com. They work with Albertsons, Ralph's, Stater Brothers, and Costco. And all the person has to do is go to the store. A list is printed out for them. They pick up your groceries and they bring them right to your house. So if you want to drive for Instacart, you can basically go on their website and sign up as a driver. It's super, super easy. Every delivery person who's been to my house has been so sweet, and it's very, very convenient. It's only a $5 fee. If you're the person who, wants to order your groceries, it's only a $5 fee. To me, I would totally pay. I do. Like I always, I feel like the fee is very small. I don't have to leave my house and, go get groceries, which is not that fun. But for the person who's actually doing the task as well, if you want to sign up to make money doing this, it's really easy. You just go to Albertsons or Ralph's, get the groceries for that person, deliver them right to their house. Sometimes people will order alcohol, so you may need to be over 21, or you do need to be over 21 if the order you're fulfilling, if they want like vodka or Corona Light or anything crazy. Shock Top, your girl's favorite. But yeah, Instacart is super easy. You go pick up what people need again, and you just deliver it right to their place. So as long as you got a car, you got a scooter, if you got a bike with like a huge basket in the front, then you're good to go for Instacart. All right, you guys, so those are my top 10 recommendations as of right now. Of course, there are hundreds and thousands of ways that you can make money from home. I have also done multiple videos on this. If you're new to my channel, I would absolutely love your support just by giving the video a like. Maybe drop a comment below if you would like. But I know we're all busy. If you don't got time to comment, it's fine. Just hit the subscribe button really quick. I'd love to have you here in my YouTube family. If you need to save money or raise your credit or develop more confidence, I would love if you would check out the whole Boss Babe series. I'll link the playlist down below for you. And if you want to follow me on Instagram for like daily motivational stuff, I would also love to have you over there. But I'm just appreciative that you would take a minute of your day or your week to be here on my channel. I hope this video was beneficial. I love you guys. I really do appreciate your support. Get your side hustle on. Go make some money. Be a badass girl boss. And I'll see you guys next time.